how we put the trash. This is how we put the trash out on an icy day.
That'd be all. Thank you. So cold.
It's a water angel.
Oh my.
Oh! You alright?
Yeah.
I got 2 of them, so I can run into my neighbor's yard.
You know, it'd be awesome if lightning struck me right now.
Kitty's blowing away. Oh!
Is still standing. I cannot get over how windy it is. Oh my God.
Okay, so the roof is leaking. It's raining inside, and somebody put some helpful buckets. Very helpful. So helpful.
So today's my birthday and all my friends are coming over. So I'm so happy it's such a beautiful day outside. As you can see, clear sky.
I want to keep everything nice and close to you. So then when you open this up, there, all done.
Go out.
Let's go, Angel. Come on, bear. You got it? No. Be careful on the ice. That was not the way it was supposed to go. But
You stay here. Let's go. Hey, Samuel, let's go.
Oh, crap! My food! Crap! It's up to my knee!
Wait, no, Liam, stop!
It's raining, it's pouring.
Go!
Barkley! Come on! Get him!
I'm soaking up there.
These storms have never been captured on live.
Come here, Box. Oh, God. Oh!
It's raining popcorn. Maybe the trees are hungry. He just fell in the balloon.
What did you do?
He just did this. He just wants to. Oh God!
What's going on today, Weatherman Braxton?
And now what?
Now you're done. Oh, cold, cold. Get it off my face. Come on, Daddy. Come
Ooh, it feels weird, huh?
Caught the rainstorm. We're at Tappan Lake. It's okay, bud.
Go back. I'm taking pictures.
But we're storm chasers.
No, we're not. It's gonna storm and it's 6:01 and outdoor it's 105 degrees and it feels like 116 degrees. It is so hot outside, bro. Guys, this is funny. Oh no, she don't laugh. Just let it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I go again, but I'm not gonna. Oh my gosh!
Don't let them get wet.
I'm crying. I can't see. I got sand in my eye. Well, go here. Don't tear my door off.
This is how people break bones. You're gonna die.
Here we go. Whoa!
That bag, is that bag okay? That bag right there.
Free hot tub coming at you. Thank you so much for helping us.
Oh my God, look at that. I'm going home. I'm afraid.
The flood at Crystal Lake. Come on.
And there goes her daughter with a cardboard box. She ran into the truck. That's awesome.
What are you doing with your... Oh my... Oh my God.
Turn it around.
I don't know why the game isn't canceled yet. Because we're out here in the elements. And we're just trying so hard to hold the keep the kids grounded. But soccer must go on. Oh my God, look how big that is! Oh my God, look how big!
Only my husband. What are you doing? away. Harder.
Okay, here we go.
No, don't go. I want a video. No, Mom. No, God, no.